You're so sweet. And that's my snack. It's so good. They're so cute. I think I have to leaner. Oh shit! Hey guys, good morning. I filmed What I Eat in a Day yesterday for YouTube and I had so much fun doing it, so we're filming another vlog today, just like a day in the life. I'm actually so annoyed right now because last night the fire alarms in my building went off for like over 3 hours in the middle of the night till like 1:30 in the morning. So I just went down to talk to them about that and I got a bill in my mailbox for like $1,800, but it was meant for like my building, not for me, but it had my apartment number on it, so it was put in my mailbox. So I was like, I owe $1,800 for electricity? Like, girl, how? Like, I know I leave the lights on sometimes, but like, how? Thank God I didn't pay it because I almost did, because it said it was in like debt collections and I'm like, what? So I just went down to talk to them about all that and they're like, disregard you owing $1,800. I'm like, thanks, even though I almost paid it to the guy on the phone. We're gonna make some breakfast. So, oh my gosh, I went to Whole Foods yesterday and Whole Foods is lit. I got this broccoli and cheddar cheese quiche, which looks so good. So we're gonna heat this up. I made blueberry muffins yesterday, so we'll have some of these. She's a quiche. You want num nums? You want num nums? Yeah. Let's go. Here you go, baby. You're so sweet. Looks so good. There's so much I want to do today, but I'm first gonna start out by editing. I've been editing while the quiche was in the oven, but I'm editing my What I Eat in a Day from yesterday for YouTube. And then I'm also editing like a TikTok, Instagram reel about my spaghetti and meatballs, like the recipe. This looks so good. I've just been editing. I got a TikTok and Instagram reel up, so if you don't follow me on there, definitely check me out on there because I post daily. I'm gonna have some lunch. It's already like almost 4 p.m. I'm the worst. I just like push off eating. I don't know why I do that, but like I don't mean to, but I don't know, it's weird. Alright, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna have leftovers from yesterday. So we got some ravioli, some meat sauce, and some green beans.
You've got to say who has to go, for him to come home to. I keep making this because I wouldn't be going to bar with
It's
them.
like almost 6 p.m. I finally changed out of my pajamas. I'm gonna go for a walk because it's like getting dark, but I really feel like I need some fresh air. So I'm gonna go for a quick little walk and let me get my earbuds so that I can listen to something while I'm on my walk. My hair looks crazy. Let's go before it gets dark. Forgot my headphones, even though I reminded myself right before I left to bring them. But that's okay. We're enjoying nature, fresh air, and I'm so happy that it's not like pitch black out right now because spring is coming and summer is coming. So that's good. I feel like I needed this just to like get out and get some fresh air. Working from home, I'm like in my apartment a lot, but getting out is always so good. It's like after 7, but I have to cook dinner. I think I'm gonna make like honey mustard chicken. I'm gonna have a snack first because I'm hungry. And I know cookies isn't like filling, but like I'm gonna have some Fairlife with it to make it a little more filling. Balance, am I right? It's probably not what they meant when they said balance, but you know, all foods fit in my world. I didn't really want to cook dinner and I was almost gonna like order takeout. So in my mind, having a couple cookies and then making dinner is much better than just like ordering takeout and then probably ending up overeating because of like how big portions are when you order out. I'm always tempted to eat more when I order out. I don't know why. So this is progress. These are the best cookies ever. They're the Petite Au Clair, like milk chocolate. They're so good. And then I'm gonna do some Fairlife milk to make it a little more filling. I never got the hype about Fairlife, but it has 13 grams of protein in 1 cup, so that's like insane. And that's my snack.
Day now, which feels so...
I've just been editing. I was editing my What I Eat in a Day from yesterday for YouTube, but I'm getting hungry. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna start cooking dinner. We're gonna make honey mustard chicken, either mashed potatoes or mac and cheese. I haven't decided yet. On a vegetable, either zucchini or cucumbers. Haven't decided yet either. I really do not feel like cooking right now, but then again, when do I ever feel like cooking? I feel like, but we're gonna cook. It's gonna be great. So I'm making this like creamy honey mustard chicken. It's literally so good. I've had it once before, but I use heavy cream, which makes it so like creamy and delicious. These chicken broths are like the best thing ever, the little like individual ones. Looks so good. I'm so excited to eat. Amanda, Frankie, and Roscoe are here. Hi, Roscoe.
Handyman.
They're building my bar stools. I'm so freaking happy. I'm finally gonna have bar stools. Yay!
Yeah, that's nice. Good pick.
Yay! Thanks, Amanda. But then it was weird because if you bought it as a set, it was actually more money. I think I left my blender bottle at your apartment. I said to like come save me.
Yeah.
When I say I'm forcing myself to do this, that's an understatement. Do you guys just ever?
Oh, yeah. Smell everything.
So good.
I like how it smells.
I love it. The bar stools are all done. I'm so excited. How pretty are they? Oh my gosh. They're so cute. I keep my eye for Selena.
Oh my god, what a time to be alive.
Is that Roscoe? Oh shit! Yeah, they can never meet. Love you. I'm so tired. It's like a little after 11 now, so I'm just gonna shower and get ready for bed. I feel like I'm kind of in a funky mood today, and I don't know why, because like I feel like I did all the right things. Like I was working, I cooked all my meals at home, I went for a walk, everything like that. I still just like feel in a funk. But then again, like I can't do something for like 2 days and be like, it's not working. I gotta like stick it out. I don't know, I've just been like in a funk. Let's hop in the shower so we can get to bed. I literally hate when my contact gets stuck. It's the worst thing ever. So if you guys have any tips for me, let me know. I definitely shouldn't have done it after moisturizer. I'm just gonna get my PJs on and head to bed. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.